the chief operating officer of our organization is out there talking about reliability in every conversation he's having with our clients. So it's pretty cool to see, right?
Best Reliability Engineering for Maintenance Uptime Award winner is JLL.
With this award, it allows us, for one, to understand that what we've been working on, what we've been doing is more or less, we're in the right track, right? Where we're proving that we can be best in class, right, with our processes. We need to make sure that we don't take our foot off the gas. We want to make sure that we keep innovating, we keep pushing this. And when we talk about value, we're very transparent about that. This is our processes. Here's how it's been working. It's been working well. We're generating this value. We're getting recognized for being able to protect that value for you. Let's go together.
I think it's not only within our organization, it's within all of our client organizations too, right? We've had clients here this week, we've had them here in the past. They're starting to see that we understand what the uptime amounts are. We're able to demonstrate between the awards.
Special Recognition Award, Innovation Champion, JLL.
Best Leadership for Reliability, JLL.
The black belts, belts.
Ladies, gentlemen,
to be able to validate all the work that we do. Whole JLL team.
Thank you for this incredible honor.
I think it does a lot both internally and externally, right? You know, the win for us, I think last year, winning the leadership award, having our executive sponsors actually here, you know, the change in which how the executive sponsors now talk about reliability and wanting it everywhere because they now understand that value.
We've got a massive part to play in driving the world to a better place through reliability.
It took us from 2014 to 2023, 2024. That's a matter of 10 years to really turn that corner, right? Where the chief operating officer of our organization is out there talking about reliability in every conversation he's having with our clients. So it's pretty cool to see, right?
And our clients are getting more engaged about it too, because now they're seeing the demonstrations. They're actually seeing that it's getting exactly where they want. So not just internally, it's being promoted in a way that I don't think we thought it would, particularly when we went down this path.
I think we always hoped it would.
We hoped it would, but
it never.
We never thought it could actually be what it is today, where executives, both in our company and executives on our client organizations, are all of a sudden getting really excited about the opportunity.
Really want to thank everybody in this room, both Reliability Web and the community. You guys do a lot of great things to help us accelerate our trajectory.